What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2023 Buick Envision. So taking a look at our key fob, this button that's almost a full circle and says X2, that's going to be the remote start button. In order to use the remote start, I'm just going to press that button twice quickly. The vehicle will respond by locking and then starting. The vehicle will run for 15 minutes before automatically turning itself off if we don't get in and start it. If we want to cancel the remote start, turn the vehicle off before we've gotten in it, we'll just press the remote start button one time. That will turn the vehicle off. Let's go ahead and remote start it again. In order to drive the vehicle, we'll need to unlock it and get in, and then just as you normally would, press the brake, stop start button, and now you're ready to drive as normal. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.